Well, good afternoon. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to Geography, Period 5, 9M. 9M Legends. Got loads of work for you to do today. Firstly, hope you had a wonderful Easter break. Hope you have relaxed and built up your energy, ready to do some really successful work this year. I remember, like Mr. Davis said in the assembly, we don't know when we're going to go back to school, sadly. It's really important you keep up with not just my work, but all the work, so that we can be really ready when we get to our GCSEs. Anyway, work for today, period 5. It shouldn't take you more than an hour, so I'd just like you to keep up with it. It's going to be, this announcement's going to come up, and it will have this PowerPoint. So I'd like to open this PowerPoint, and everything you need to know, and the task you need to do is actually on this PowerPoint, okay, when it loads up. You will need a pen, a pencil, and you'll need some plain paper. Idea that you're going to work on paper for this, because I couldn't really work out how to do it electronically because I'm not that smart. Anyway, objectives, we're going to look at the physical characteristics of India. So that means what India is like naturally, where the mountains are, where the flat bits are, and that kind of stuff, where the rivers are, where the main different physical geographical features are. A really interesting lesson, a really amazing, interesting country to learn about. Okay, so once it loads up, obviously yours will load up quicker than my computer. Here we go, we're going. Right, so the first thing you're going to do is on your blank paper, you are going to draw. Come on now. Here we go. I have a very old laptop. There we go, right, so, sorry, as I was saying. Activity 1, copy this outline of India onto a blank bit of paper. That's it, just copy that out. Okay, so draw this black line, okay, as accurately as you possibly can. Take about half a page. Secondly, add these other lines onto it. These show you the different areas of relief, so what the bits that are high, the bits that are low lying, and so on, and where the mountains are and stuff like that. Okay, once you've done that, you've got to try and work out what each of these things is, okay, and where the land is high and where the land is low, using these maps here that are on slide 4. Okay, so you can see, for example, if I show you this area here, the key's there. The darker the brown, the higher the land. So up here, it's very high. So where the Himalayan mountains are in the north of India, also near places like Shimla and Dharamshala, where the Dalai Lama lives, actually. And over here as well, you can see the purple on this map is the highest land, going down to the green being the lowest. So it's quite low on this bit, and it's slightly higher in the pink bit in the middle, and much higher in the north. Okay, so you're going to use those two maps to try and shade accurately these areas on here. Okay, once you've done that, so obviously like this top bit, for example, you would do in the darkest colour, the purple, because that's the area of the highest altitude. Okay, hope that makes sense. You don't have to use those colours if you don't want to. Do a different key if you've only got those colours. Okay, then last thing is to use an atlas or Google Maps to find these places. Okay, like the Thar Desert, the Deccan Plateau, the Himalayas, the Bay of Bengal, and the River Ganges, and add them onto your map. Okay, you might need to, for example, if it's a thing like the Ganges, which is very easy to draw on, draw the River Ganges onto your piece of work. Okay, simple. Once you've done that, I need to see it, obviously, to check that you've done it. So you need to take a picture. Sorry, you can see how fast my laptop is again. Take a picture of your work, and then go on to this, which will also be open, and you'll be able to get your own PowerPoint. Now, it's completely blank. I haven't put anything on it. It's just so you can submit your work. So all you've got to do is take your picture, go onto your section of the classwork, and upload your photograph to your PowerPoint slide, and then hand that back in. That is it. You don't have to do anything else on this PowerPoint. Just literally upload your picture onto this slide, and then resubmit to me. Okay? Then I will see very clearly who has done it and who hasn't. Okay? I think that's about everything. I will be online, okay, during the time your lesson is. So I'll be online from 2 till 3 tomorrow to help you if you need it. Or sorry, 2 to 3 on Tuesday. And there will be here, it was not on there at the moment because it's too early, but there will be there a link for a Google Meetings, like Mr. Bates put on the Google page this morning. So if you do have any questions or you're concerned that you want to show me any work, you want to go for any work, then click on this link and I'll be just online and we can chat through stuff and go through things. Okay. Alternatively, obviously, just comment on here. Just comment here. Type a little thing if you want. Okay. Also, if you're really bored, have a go at this little Sporkle game as well. I got 77%. Okay.